In today's topic, we're going to cover global picklist. And global picklist is something we can use as a template for picklist values. So let's say, for example, when you create a new picklist, usually you go and modify your own values, right? But with the help of global picklist, you actually can bring values that previously were defined for you. So to demonstrate the example, I can go to my Trailhead org on Salesforce. Let's say I'm on a lead object and I will create a new field. But before we create actually the new field, we need to go and look for picklist value sets, right? This is where you define your global picklist. Currently I have a solar boat models, but let's just actually create a new one we will be using in this demo. And I will say, I will name it as status, name automatic, good, excellent, bad, terrible. Okay, so you can actually make this automatically filtered or like for you based on alphabet, and you can also set up the first value as default value, but let's for now just keep this way. So now we select it and saved it in our global value set, right? So in this time we will go create a new field for lead object, right? Let's look for lead object where we'll be using our global picklist, fields and relationship, new. So this is how you regularly create a picklist, right? Next, we're gonna tell this is gonna be my grade, and then in this section, right, where you can utilize a global picklist right here. It's actually on default, right? Before you will go and click here and then type your values here, right? But as I was just telling you, we're gonna be just saving ourselves some time and think about if you have a lot of picklist that is using the same type of values, right? So that's how we utilize global picklist. So that's like that checkbox, and now in drop down you can see the status that we created for a global picklist. Nice. So this was automatically selected. Let's click next, click everything on default, save. Now we can actually, I see an example for leads. Let's go to Casey Snyder, details. Let's scroll to the bottom. We're looking for grade. So right here. And you can see all the values that I defined in a global picklist called status are visible here. Excellent. Save. Yeah, that's how you guys work with global picklist. And the benefit, one of the benefits, as I was telling you, save yourself time. And if you will need to utilize same values all over on different records or fields or objects, that's how you can do and save yourself some time. Thank you so much for your time.